Hello everyone, this is Mamta J, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. This video lecture is about Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula. It comes under BSc 5th semester Mathematics paper, Skill Enhanced Course Math 02 Numerical Analysis, prescribed by University of Mysore. Now, Newton-Gregory formula for backward interpolation. Let the function y is equal to f of x take the values y0, y1, y2, etc. corresponding to the values x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h, etc. of x. Suppose it is required to evaluate f of x for x is equal to xn plus ph, where p is any real number, then yp is given by yn plus p into del yn plus p into p plus 1 by 2 factorial into del square yn plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 by 3 factorial into del cube yn plus etc. is called Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula. Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula is used for interpolating the values of y near the end of a set of tabulated values and also for extrapolating the values of y a little ahead to the right of yn. That is, we use Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula for interpolating the values of y near the value yn. Now, let us solve some problems. First one, estimate f of 4.2 from the following table. Here, the values of x are given by 0, 2, 4 and 6, and the respective values of f of x are 2, 10, 66 and 218. Here observe that the values of x are equally spaced. That is, if we add 2 to 0, we get 0 plus 2 is equal to 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. That is, here the values of x are equally spaced by the value 2. This equal value is called interval of difference or step length. So, here the interval of difference h is equal to 2. Now, here we have to find the value of f of 4.2. Now, compare this one with f of x. So, here in place of x we have 4.2. Now, compare this 4.2 with x0 0 and xn 6. Clearly, 4.2 is very near to 6. Therefore, the value x is equal to 4.2 is near to the end of the table. Therefore, we use Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula to find the value of f of 4.2. Now, let us construct the difference table. In the first column, we write the values of x, that is 0, 2, 4 and 6. In the second column, we write the values of f of x, that is 2, 10, 66 and 218. In the third column, we write the values of first order differences, that is del y. To get the values of first order differences, we subtract each value of f of x by its next value, that is 10 minus 2 is 8, 66 minus 10 is 56, 218 minus 66 is 152. Similarly, calculate the value of del square y. Again, to find the values of second differences, we subtract each value of del y by its next value. That is, 56 minus 8 is 48, 152 minus 56 is 96. Now, del cube y is given by 96 minus 48, that is 48. Now, let us come to our first column, that is column with respect to x. Here, the last value, that is 6, represent the value of xn. So, xn is equal to 6 here. Now, corresponding value of xn is yn. So, yn is 218 here. Now, the last value of the column del y is 152. So, 152 is del yn. And the last value of the column del square y is del square yn. So, here 96 is del square yn. And the value of del cube yn is 48 because here we have only single value with respect to del cube y. So del yn is 152, del square yn is 96 and del cube yn is 48. We have xn is equal to 6, x is equal to 4.2, h is equal to 2 and p is equal to x minus xn by h. X is 4.2, so p is equal to 4.2 minus 6 divided by 2, that is minus 0.9. Now from the table we have yn is equal to 218, del yn is equal to 152, del square yn is equal to 96 and del cube yn is equal to 48. Now substitute these values in Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula. If we simplify this, we get f of 4.2 as 76.088, which is the required solution. Now, second problem, compute e power 0.35 given that here we have a table of values of x versus values of respective e power x. Here the values of x are given by 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. Here the corresponding values of e power x are 1, 1.1052, 1.2214, 1.3499 and 1.4918. Now, solution. Here observe that the values of x are equally spaced by the value 0.1. That is, if we add 0.1 to 0, we get 0.1. 0.1 plus 0.1 is 0.2. 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.3. And 0.3 plus 0.1 is 0.4. So here h is equal to 0.1. Now, here in place of x we have 0.35. So x is equal to 0.35 here. Now compare this 0.35 with x naught 0 and xn 0.4. Clearly 0.35 is near to 0.4, that is to the end of the table. Therefore we use Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula to find the value of e power 0.35. Now write down the difference table. In the first column we write down the values of x, that is 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. In the second column we write the values of y, that is 1, 1.1052, 1.2214, 1.3499 and 1.4918. In the next column we write the values of del y. Now to get the values of del y, we subtract each element of y with its next value. So 1.1052 minus 1 is 0.1052. 1.2214 minus 1.1052 is 0.1162. 1.3499 minus 1.2214 is 0.1285. 1.4918 minus 1.3499 is 0.1419. As before, to get the values of del square y, we subtract each number of del y by its next number. That is 0.1162 minus 0.1052 is 0.0110. 0.1285 minus 0.1162 is 0.0123. 0.1419 minus 0.1285 is 0.0134. Similarly, the values of del cube y are 0.0123 minus 0.0110, that is 0.0013, 0.0134 minus 0.0123, that is 0.0011. Now, the value of del power 4y is 0.0011 minus 0.0013, that is minus 0.0002. Here, with respect to the column x, the last entry is denoted by xn. So, xn is equal to 0.4 here, and in the column with respect to y, the last entry represents yn. That is the value corresponding to xn. So yn is 1.4918 here, and in the column del y, the last value represents del yn. So del yn is 0.1419, and with respect to the column del square y, the last element, that is 0.0134, represent the value of del square yn. So del square yn is 0.0134, and in the next column del cube y, the last element 0.0011 represent the value of del cube yn, and in the column del power 4y we have only one value, so that value represents 0, that is minus 0.0002 represents del power 4 yn. Here we have xn is equal to 0.4, x is equal to 0.35, h is equal to 0.1, p is equal to x minus xn by h, that is 0.35 minus 0.4 divided by 0.1, that is minus 0.5. And from the table, yn is 1.4918, del yn is 0.1419, del square yn is 0.0134, del cube yn is 0.0011, and del power 4 yn is minus 0.0002. Now write down the Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula and substitute these values. Then if we simplify this, we get e power 0.35 as 1.4191, which is the required solution. Now next problem. The population of a town is as follows. Here years are given by 1921, 1931, 1941, 1951 and 1961 and 1971, and the corresponding population in lakhs are 20, 24, 29, 36, 46 and 51 respectively. Estimate the increase in population during the period 1955 to 1961. Here, to find the increase in population during the period 1955 to 1961, first we will write down the population of the year 1961, that is 46 lakhs from the table, and we subtract the population of the year 1955 from this 46 lakhs. But here observe that we don't have the value of population of the year 1955 in the table. Therefore, first we find the value of population of the year 1955 from this table. That is, we have to find the value of f of 1955. So here x is 1955, and here in this table the value of h is 10, because if we add 10 to 1921 we get 1931. 1931 plus 10 is 1941. 1941 plus 10 is 1951. 1951 plus 10 is 1961, and 1961 plus 10 is 1971. That is, here interval of difference or step length is 10. Therefore, h is equal to 10 here. Now, compare this value x is equal to 1955 with x naught 1921 and xn 1971. Clearly, 1955 is near to 1971. Therefore, we use Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula to find the value of f of 1955. First, write down the difference table. In the first column, write down the values of x, that is 1921, 1931, 1941, 1951, 1961 and 1971. In the second column, write down the corresponding values of y, 20, 24, 29, 36, 46 and 51. In the next column, write down the values of del y. We know that to find the first order differences, we subtract each element of y by its next elements. So 24 minus 20 is 4, 29 minus 24 is 5. 36 minus 29 is 7. 46 minus 36 is 10. 51 minus 46 is 5. So these are the values of first order differences, that is del y. Now let us find the values for del square y. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 5 is 2. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. The values of del cube y are 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Similarly, the values for del power 4y are 1 minus 1, 0, minus 8 minus 1, minus 9. Similarly, the value for del power 5y is minus 9 minus 0, that is minus 9. Clearly, we know that in the column with respect to x, the last entry is denoted by xn. So, xn is equal to 1971 here. And the corresponding entry of xn in the column y, that is last entry of the column y is yn. So, yn is 51 here. And the last entry of the column with respect to del y is del yn. So, del yn is 5. And the last element of the column del square y is del square yn. So, del square yn is minus 5. And the last element of the column del cube y is del cube yn. So, del cube yn is minus 8 here. And the last element of the column del power 4y is del power 4yn. So, here del power 4yn is minus 9. And the column del power 5y, we have only one single entry. Therefore, del power 5yn is minus 9. We have xn as 1971, x is equal to 1955, h is equal to 10, p is equal to x minus xn by h, that is 1955 minus 1971 by 10, that is minus 1.6. Also from the table we have yn is equal to 51, del yn is equal to 5, del square yn is equal to minus 5, del cube yn is equal to minus 8, del power 4 yn is equal to minus 9, and del power 5 yn is equal to minus 9. Now write down the Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula and substitute these values. If we simplify this, we get f of 1955 as 39.983. That is, the population of the year 1955 is 39.983 lakhs. Now, therefore, the increase in the population during the period 1955 to 1961 is given by population of the year 1961 minus population of the year 1955, that is 46 minus 39.983 lakhs, that is 6.017 lakhs. Now, next problem. Find a polynomial which takes the values. Here, values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the corresponding values of f of x are 3, 6, 11, 18 and 27 respectively. Now, solution. Here, first observe that the values of x are equally spaced by the value 1. That is 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So here interval of difference or step length is equal to 1. That is h is equal to 1 here. Now write down the difference table for x and f of x. Here first column contains the values of x, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the next column, write down the values of y, that is 3, 6, 11, 18 and 27. In the next column, we write the first differences of y, that is 6 minus 3, 3, 11 minus 6, 5, 18 minus 11, 7 and 27 minus 18, 9. And in the next column, we find the values for del square y. 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2. And in the next column, we find the values of del cube y. 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0. Here observe that here all the elements are equal to 0, so we can stop the difference table here. Now, here in the first column, the last entry is denoted by xn. So here xn is equal to 4. And the value corresponding to xn is yn. So yn is equal to 27 here. And the last element of the column del y is denoted by del yn. So del yn is 9 here. And the last element of the column del square y is del square yn. So del square yn is 2 here. And the last element of the column del cube y is del cube yn. So del cube yn is 0 here. Now write down the values of xn, h and p. xn is 4, h is 1. We know that p is equal to x minus xn by h. So it is equal to x minus 4 divided by 1, that is x minus 4. From the table we have yn is equal to 27, del yn is equal to 9, del square yn is equal to 2, del cube yn is equal to 0. Now write down the Newton-Gregory backward interpolation formula. Now substitute the values of yn, p, del yn, del square yn and del cube yn here. If we simplify this, we get f of x as x square plus 2x plus 3, which is the required polynomial. Thank you.